everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today for this week's slow cooker recipe, I am making a Masoor Daal in a slow cooker, or Masoor Daal, or lentil soup. So if you like slow cooker recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So this recipe is so incredibly easy. You just dump everything in a slow cooker and let it to do its thing for 4 hours. And really at the end, all we're gonna do additionally is just do a bagar, or just take some oil, fry it with some onions and garlic, and it just adds an extra layer of flavor to the dish. So the first thing we're gonna do though is toast up our spices, so whole spices. I have bachboron here, which is just a mixture of sesame, fennel, basically all of your whole spices. And then additionally, I have a little bit of cumin seeds. So I'm just gonna toast this up for a few minutes. All right, so I've been toasting this up for about 3 to 4 minutes, and now I have in front of me my slow cooker, or Instant Pot in this case. Inside of it, I have 2 cups of lentil, red lentil, that I'm just gonna add my toasted up spices to, and then literally just gonna add the rest of my ingredients. So I have a onion that I've diced up with a few cloves of garlic. I also have a diced tomato. All right, a little bit of garlic paste, or sorry, ginger paste. And then some turmeric and bay leaves. And then I'm just gonna mix this all together. All right, and the last thing I'm gonna add is 5 cups of water. And that is it. Just mix it all up, and then you just set it for 4 hours, and then afterwards all you do is the bagar, and then you're done, and you have an awesome dal ready to go. All right, so now that our dal is done, we are gonna start on our bagar. What I have in front of me is just a half a cup of onions with a few cloves of garlic, and then in my pan, I put enough oil to basically have the bottom filled. So about 1/4 cup of oil, and just saute until it develops a nice dark brown color. All right, guys, this looks perfect. I did add a few, about 5 or 6 just dried chili peppers. Doesn't add any spice to it, but it just makes it look nice and pretty. So now you add this directly, and be careful, to your dal and mix it all together. And you really don't need to do this step at all. You can totally keep it out. I just think it adds another layer of flavor to your dish, so I always like to do it. Look at that, guys. Okay, and then the last piece is a little bit of cilantro, just to add a little bit green to your dish. Mix it all together, and you are done. This smells so incredible. You guys have no idea. So super easy too. Okay, so that is done. I have a little pre-lunch snack for myself. So now, oh, you guys, just look at this. How creamy that is. Oh my goodness. All right, well, I'm gonna wait for it to cool down a little bit. Okay, grab myself a spoon. Probably gonna burn my mouth again as always, but I have to try this. All right. My goodness. This is so good. I have it on top of wild rice. You can use whatever type of rice, but wow. This was so incredibly easy. Dump everything in a slow cooker, maybe do the bagar if you want. So easy. If you guys like slow cooker recipes, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.